Welcome back to MAURO'S Films. This will be my 5 favorite things about the new HOHEM iSTEADY Mobile Plus. This will be easy and simple to follow, and you will be ready to master the shots in seconds. Firstly, go to the App Store and download the HOHEM Joy app. After that, connect it to the gimbal. Once done that, you are ready to start. The first interesting scene will be to orbit shot around an object or person. The main objective is to follow around in a rotational manner your object or person of interest. Use your standard or wide-angle camera for this shot. Bonus tip: open your tracking function and select your object of interest. Now you will have the following feature easing your orbiting shots. Let's get straight to my second favorite theme with the HOHEM iSTEADY Mobile Plus. Pull through and in between objects or persons. Use your location of filming to find interesting objects and places to make the pulls. Be creative, anything can be in your way. You'll be adding some amazing dynamics in the shoot. The third amazing thing that I like about this gimbal and the HOHEM Joy app is the clone mode, and yes, you will find it in the moment section of this app. You will be able to clone yourself in the frame and get an interesting photo shoot of yourself in different poses. Be creative, this is a really unique feature. You will be able to select the amount of clones: 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. The fourth great feature is the so-called Inception mode shoot. You will be able to make automatic rotations with your gimbal in just a couple of seconds. It's all built in the moment section of the app. You just have to turn on your Inception mode and put your smartphone in a flashlight position. The app will do the rest. Find interesting spots around your place or filming to get the shot even more dynamic. It's you to decide. The fifth amazing thing about this gimbal is the built-in amazing USB-A port. And yes, you can use it as a power bank to charge your smartphone once you have drained your battery, or to recharge any other device. There you have it, an USB-A ready to go power bank. Just hook up your phone and give it a boost charge for your next filming scenario. Simple as that. Thanks a lot for watching, and I really hope that you learned something. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below, I will be happy to answer all of them. Until my next one, thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe with the bell icon to get notified every time I make a new video, tutorial or something interesting, and see you on my next one.